Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yes, today's not really going to be a vlog, but it's just going to be like a cool DIY video that I kind of planned at last minute, but I hope you guys enjoy. Excuse all the mess in the back. We just put a storage shed in the back of the house, so we're reorganizing everything. So like we're trying to empty out this whole garage, so we're trying to see where what goes. But of course, as y'all know, the project, the baby's right here. I got some cool stuff for the project, so this is what this video is going to be about. I got some cool wheels. Now I've gotten other wheels for it, but I put it on, I took it off, sold it, bought some more, blah, 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 blah. Didn't really like those wheels. But the wheels I just got are actually really nice. They're the size that I want. Their style is not exactly what I wanted, but it's close to that. So I was like, I might as well get it. All right, and so today's video is gonna be wheel cleaning. Well, technically wheel detailing. Now, of course, you know, the stuff I buy aren't always in the best of conditions, but that's fine. You know, we gotta learn, we gotta buy, like, this is a budget. As y'all know, this is a budget build. This is just to have some fun. This is my car. And before I start on the video, as you guys know, all the stuff I work on is mine. The stuff is mine. The stuff I break is mine. The tools are mine. The cars are mine in a safe place in my own property. Well, it's not mine, but family's properties, our property, legal property. So yeah, don't go like, oh, why are you working on a different person's car? I'm not working on a different person's car. This is my car. This is my stuff, okay? But anyways, I digress. Back to the video. So what today's video is going to be about is DIY wheel detailing. So I bought different types of detailing chemicals and brushes and stuff like that just to see what gives the best look. You know, what does the best. And it's not to like, you know, hate on one specific product. I just want to see which one is best, and I want to show you guys which one is the best and which one you guys would prefer. And the stuff I bought is all, again, budget. You know, the reason why I do a lot of budget stuff is so you guys can also, you know, go and do it yourselves, like DIY. So you guys can also afford it. Now, the stuff I bought is Walmart, AutoZone stuff, and auto parts stuff, or whatever. Actually pretty good stuff. And so of course I did some research. That's why I bought the stuff that I bought. And I hope the stuff I bought, you know, worked for you guys as well. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And I hope, you know, this is a learning experience for me just as well as for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get this started. I guess this is fine. All right, of course, gotta show off the Untamed merch. All right, so I bought 3 different types of wheel cleaners. One, you got the very well-known Diablo wheel cleaner. I hear this stuff is really good. Got that one. All right, so the second one I got is the Meguiar's Hot Rims Wheel Chrome Cleaner. Now you're probably wondering, Salim, why would you get a chrome cleaner if the whole wheel, oh my God, bro, my English not good right now. If the whole wheel is not chrome? Well, because those corners are chrome, and that's actually the worst part of the wheel. Anyways, that's why I got that one. And then the second one I have is ArmorAll Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. I actually got this in a set, but I thought I'd try this one too. And so I got those 3 wheel cleaners. So what I'm gonna do is, of course, I have my tape. I'm gonna tape 3 of the wheels, you know, which one I used. So I'm gonna see which one cleans the best. Not just the best, you know, which wheel cleaner cleans what off the wheel, because sometimes one wheel cleaner can be better than the other, but it'll only specifically clean one good thing. So that's why I'm going to try all 3 just to see which one cleans the best. So I'm going to put some tape on it, write which cleaner I used on which wheel to see which one's best. Okay, and I have the wheel brush. Now I didn't get like a wheel like, you know, they have like the scratch pads. I didn't get one of those. I just got like a nice brush, not too, you know, not too scrubby, not too dangerous, you know, not too metallic, or something that won't scratch the wheel. And then the reason why I got a soft one is I'm trying to see which wheel cleaner cleans the best on its own. So no water, none of that stuff, no scratching, you know, none of this. So not stuff like this, you know, nothing scratchy, nothing like that, or nothing scratchy. But I do have like this very soft brush that I'm just gonna use to like agitate it, but that's all, you know, nothing too scruffy, no scruffy brushes. I want the wheel cleaner to clean the wheel. That's, you know, this is what the video is gonna be about. Like DIY cleaner stuff. Which wheel cleaner is best? And no bias, I just want to see which one's good. And I didn't buy any specific brand because I like that specific brand. I just did some research, tried to see, you know, what other people use, wanted to see which one is best. But okay, yeah, so this is all I'm gonna use. Is I'm gonna use this to agitate it, and this to just to like scrub the dirt off. That's pretty much it. And yeah, this is pretty much the gist of the video. Like, it's just gonna be spray, agitate, wait, and then dip this in water and take off most of the stuff, just to see which one cleans the best on its own. That's about it. It's gonna be an easy DIY video. Also, shout out to Untamed, not sponsored, but I really do like their merch. Shout out to Yusuf and Ismail, and of course Team Untamed. Really good stuff, good shit. And Toyota. Not really, Toyota's not, you know, sponsoring this video. I just like Toyotas and Hondas. They're cool, cheap shit, love it, keep it up, cool shit. Anyways, I digress. Back to the video. All right, let's get it started. All right, I bought that from Harbor Freight, by the way. Really cool shit. It's a chair, the seat, and it's a toolbox. And you can push it on the side, and you can also put like stuff in here. Really cool. It was like $60 or something like that. And shit. And Harbor Freight, if you're seeing this, shout me out. Yeah, message me, DM me. I want your stuff. Harbor Freight stuff is cool, cheap, and reliable. Anyways, Harbor Freight, hit me up. Dude, what I will say is, it's April, and it's so freaking cold. Like, I don't get it. Anyways, I guess we'll go ahead and use the ArmorAll wheel and tire cleaning extreme. We'll go ahead and use that first. So I removed the valve stem. I'm also gonna remove the center cap because I want to clean all this, and then I'm gonna try to clean this on its own. So let's go ahead and put this. That was ArmorAll. So this one will be ArmorAll. And it is a little bit cold, so I hope, you know, I hope I don't crack it or something. It's just, if it was a normal temperature, it probably wouldn't have dried out faster. So like I said, I'm not gonna use any water. I'm just gonna let, you know, the cleaner do its own job. I'm gonna let the chemical do its own job, and then after I've brushed it and let it sit for a while, and then I'm gonna get my brush. I'm gonna get this brush and then just scrub off all the dirt off of it, and then we'll see. And then I'll put that to the side to let it dry, and then once I'm done with all of it, and then I'll show the before and after. All right. Ooh, I like the foaminess of it. It's nice and foamy. Ah, shit, it's blowing to my face. Oh, crap. I was gonna start from the bottom first. Eh, whatever. Yeah, you guys should probably start from the bottom first. I recommend starting from the bottom first, is because once you know the bottom, it's gonna come up all the way here anyway. So start from the bottom and then the top. All right. So as that's, I'm gonna give it like a good 60 seconds to let the chemical grab everything, and as this is like, you know, going into the wheel, I'm gonna go ahead and get some water. I mean, I could see some of the dirt coming off. Gonna clean that valve area. Damn, that's dirty. Holy crap, that's dirty. That's dirty as shit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. You know, I hope this is a good video for you guys. I hope that, you know, one of these wheel cleaners do you guys really good. I hope they help me. Yeah. I guess after this, I'll probably just fast forward, so. Now, if there are some areas that this isn't getting and you still see that there's some soap left, now what I did was, I got one of these bottles and I just put water in it. Yeah, like just put water in it and then you could just spray a lot of the shit off of it like this. And it actually does get it, so. Like inside these, what are they, the fake two-piece? I think it is a fake two-piece, to be honest. Yeah, it's definitely a fake two-piece. But yeah, so I mean, there's a lot of shit gets stuck in it and you could just spray it off like this. It takes it off, so yep. Hey, came the whole thing off. Nice. The whole thing came off with it. Hell yeah. Time to spray. Damn, a lot of the dirt is already like coming off of it. So I'm just gonna spray the top. I'm not gonna spray the whole thing because as you can see, as I'm spraying, it's already going down anyway. So I'm just gonna spray the top. I guess I'll just let that wait for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my bottle real quick. I'll be right back. Let's give it just a little bit more soap. Some more of that wheel cleaner. Okay. Now let's go ahead and start agitating it. Damn, look at that. Ooh, that is gross. I hope you guys can see it properly. I got shit on my hoodie. But damn, look. It's doing this back part really nice. Oh my God, look at that. Holy shiza. I'm gonna try to clean everything. I can hear it sizzling. That's so cool. All right, that's kind of faster. damn. I might have to clean those much better later, but I'll probably have to do with maybe some more extreme brushes I might have to use for those, but that's for later. But honestly, not so bad. Not so bad. Alright, let's clean off most of this shit. Hey, no, I don't like that. Oh, there we go.